Hello, Mike Cardenas, Master Detailer here at Sweet Cars.
Hi, I'm Mike Cardenas from Sweet Cars with some great detailing tips and products to help address vinyl and rubber on your next detail. Now, we often think of dressings as being overly greasy, shiny, and messy. While there are certainly some products out there that give these type of results, I'm going to show you some professional products that are not so commonly found in retail stores. To use them, we'll start with your traditional spray form, and using a microfiber towel that's not being used for paint, simply spray onto the towel. For small areas, use a small foam applicator for precise application. Buff with a dry microfiber towel, and you're done. Next, we'll talk about the aerosol can. And keep away from wind and cover areas to avoid overspray. Cleaning is done quickly if you do get overspray with a quick detailer spray. Simply dry the excess with a dry microfiber towel, and voila, great results without the mess. If you have any questions about this detailing tip or any other detailing questions, you can contact us at sweetcars.com. You can email me at mike@sweetcars.com. Like us on Facebook or check out our blog, blog.sweetcars.com. Until next time, take pride in your freshly detailed ride.